This is that unit that I posted the video earlier. Finally got both of the compressor running, but listen to the sound of it, man. That's not good. And listen to the sound of these motors. Like, come on. How can I honor this piece of equipment to use like last 10 years or even 5? And listen to this. You can hear it from inside of the building. I'm so cooked. It's gonna completely ruin my business, my company. Because this client is a county judge. I'm so gonna be judged. Nice knowing you.